Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah, oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah.
Among the divine names of Allah is the Almighty. This name, Al-Aziz, appears 72 times in the Holy Quran. Oftentimes it appears in conjunction with other names of Allah. Al-Aziz refers to Allah's divine might. His might is unlike that of mortal rulers who wealth and oppress them. Rather, people only acquire power through the power and permission of Allah, the Almighty.
إن العزة لله جميعا.
And all power, might, belongs to Allah. Who else has the power and ability to create the heavens and the earth? Look at the mere perfection of the galaxy and how it functions. Who else can give life to every species on the planet? Who has the ability to create beings embedded with such intricate perfection? It is only Allah who has created us from nothing, fashioned us into cells, and then shaped us in the womb. Allah says,
هو الذي يصوركم في الأرحام كيف يشاء لا إله إلا هو العزيز الحكيم.
He it is who shapes you in the wombs as He pleases. There is no God but He, the exalted in might, the wise.
Oh my Allah, you are my Lord. I bow to you. Allah, oh my Allah.